Let us start with the Python basics. The right hand side, what you can see is the logo of Python, and it is a free software and also widely used all over the world. One of the highly used software all over the world. One of the advantages in Python is it is a free software, easy to use and readable, quite easy to readable by human. So the definition of Python is a very high level language. That means that can be easily readable by human. All the syntaxes, all the coding, and all the parts of the Python is quite easy to crack. You don't need to a good software background to crack in. As a beginner, as a new to the Python, you can easily crack in. And it is interpreted programming language. That means usually when you write a lump sum of code, then read all those code at a time or the compile at a time. But Python, it will go by section or the line by line. In that way, it can easily to understand and also the debug. And its simplicity also attract people to the Python. The key features of Python is it is a easy syntax. Python syntax is designed to be readable and easy to learn, making it a great choice for beginners. And it is interpreted language. Python code is executed line by line, which helps with the debugging and error handling, and also it is more easy to learn. It's a versatile application. Python is widely used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, automation. In this course, we are going to discuss more in the Python in data engineering or the data science of artificial intelligence. It's a cross-platform. Python can run on the various operating system, but in this videos, we are more focused on the Windows. Why we have to learn Python? It's a beginner friendly with its simple syntax and readability. Python is one of the best programming language for the beginners and to crack on the job. And it's a high demand in the industry. So Python is highly sought after the field like data science or the data engineering, machine learning has a highly paid in all over the world. Large community and library. When we go to the GitHub or Stackflow, or there are a lot of other individual communities can help to clear any of the doubt from the basics to advanced. And also there are a lot of plugin libraries are freely available to crack on. Example like NumPys and Pandas can be used for the data engineering to process the data and the files. And also the Django can be used for the web development. It depends on the what application you are using and which career you are choosing. You can use the Python widely. Thank you, and we will dive more into coming section.